excited to be here at the McAllen ISD Superintendent's inaugural bowling tournament put on by the McAllen Education Foundation. Just a great event when you see so many community members coming together, so many staff members, and it's all so that students benefit, so that we can put students in a position to accomplish their dreams. It's about fun today. It's about not only raising money for students, but it's also about team building, about staff members coming together to make sure that we're as synergized as possible, so that as we move forward, we have more programs like this to expand beyond the fishing tournament, beyond the golf tournament, beyond the bowling tournament. This is just an awesome example of adults having fun to help kids.
We're super excited to be here today for the Superintendent's inaugural bowling tournament. The McAllen Education Foundation actually is sponsoring this event today with the school district. The money that we raise will go to help support the new entrepreneurial program, but also to help support the innovative teaching grants that the foundation has always provided to our teachers across the district.
It's one big team effort that's going to help students, it's going to help teachers, but more than anything, it just proves that in McAllen ISD, there's a lot of synergy amongst the community, and that's why we're a driving force across the state and really across the world.